Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into a real information bomb, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're a fan of compact, powerful, and professional drones, buckle up, because the leaks and rumors that have surfaced in recent weeks suggest DJI is about to unleash a tech beast in mini format. With upgraded specs, new camera features, a refreshed design, and big leaps in safety and battery life, this could very well be the best ultra-lightweight drone on the market. And yes, I'm seriously hyped. 0.1-inch sensor, a visual revolution in mini format. Let's start with the most important part, the camera. According to highly reliable leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, a feature users have been demanding since the Mini 3. This won't just improve image quality in low-light conditions. It's set to be a game-changer for detail, contrast, and color accuracy. This upgrade puts the Mini 5 Pro on par with drones like the Air 3S, but with the added benefit of being way more compact and travel-friendly. And best of all, if DJI manages to keep the weight under 250 grams, it could remain license-free in many countries. That's huge. 4K 120 frames per second slow motion recording. Another highly anticipated upgrade is the ability to record slow motion video at 120 frames per second in 4K. The Mini 4 Pro already gave us 100 frames per second. But this small bump opens up even more creative potential for content creators who love cinematic, smooth, and epic footage. For those working in digital video production or social media, this update is a clear competitive edge. Redesigned gimbal and more creative angles. Expect a brand new gimbal with up to 225 degrees of rotation, enabling even more creative shots from previously impossible angles. It'll also retain the now essential vertical shooting mode, which many creators rely on for optimized content on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Vertical capture isn't optional anymore, it's mandatory. And DJI seems to have fully embraced that. New 48mm middle mode. A very intriguing rumor suggests the addition of a so-called 48mm middle mode, which would simulate a second lens using an intelligent crop of the sensor. While we won't get dual optics like on the Air 3 or Mavic 3, this virtual zoom might offer a new perspective without the usual quality drop of basic digital zoom. Definitely something creators are eager to try. LiDAR sensors and enhanced safety. Flight safety is also taking center stage on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. In addition to the usual forward-facing sensors, the drone may come equipped with advanced LiDAR sensors, improving navigation in dark or complex environments, although I would have liked to see sensors on the sides too, areas typically more vulnerable during flight. Any obstacle detection improvements are a win, especially for urban or structural filming. More powerful motors and quick-release propellers. The new motors appear to be more robust and efficient, which makes sense given the added weight of the 1-inch sensor and LiDAR systems. The quick-release propellers will replace the traditional screw-on style, allowing for faster, tool-free changes. There are also signs of a new ventilation system built into the drone's underside to keep things cool during flight. LED lighting and compliance with flight laws. It might seem minor, but LED lights matter. On the Mini 4 Pro, DJI placed the lights only at the rear, and they turn off during night recording, an issue in Europe where flashing green lights are legally required. For nighttime flights, hopefully, DJI addresses this in the Mini 5 Pro by ensuring the lights stay active during the entire flight. If not, many users will still rely on Velcro accessories, external lights, and extra chargers, which adds weight and complexity to workflows. Battery life and the big weight debate. Now, let's talk about flight time. Estimates suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will offer up to 36 minutes of battery life, about 2 more than the Mini 4 Pro. While these numbers are usually idealized, it's still impressive considering the added hardware. But here's the big question, will it stay under 250 grams? The leaked packaging doesn't mention weight, and DJI usually highlights this when it complies with the sub-250G standard. This could mean one of two things: the Mini 5 Pro really does weigh more than 250G. DJI might offer two battery types, a lighter one to stay under 250G, and a Pro version offering longer battery life. Personally, I'd prefer to stay under the weight limit and give up a few minutes of flight. The real 20 minutes of use you get from the Mini 4 Pro are more than enough for most quick jobs. When will the DJI Mini 5 Pro launch? While early rumors pointed to an August 7th release, that always seemed unlikely since DJI usually reserves that period for action cameras. My guess? We'll see the Mini 5 Pro in September or October, just in time for the holiday season. It's the perfect business strategy. Generate hype, unveil the product to the world, and have it ready for holiday sales. A professional tool in miniature? To me, as a content creator, professional pilot, and tech enthusiast, the new DJI Mini 5 Pro represents more than just another upgrade. It's a professional tool, a next-gen aerial camera that combines power, portability, and pro-grade quality. I'm keeping an eye on every leak and can't wait to test it in the field. I plan to release several videos showcasing how it performs in real-world shoots, how I use it in my professional projects, and how it stacks up against previous models. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone. It's the evolution of a series that's proven size doesn't limit power. If all these features turn out to be true, a 1-inch sensor, 120 frames per second slow motion, new gimbal, LiDAR sensors, and long battery life, we could be looking at the best compact drone of the year. As always, remember these details are based on leaks and rumors, and things could change in the final product. But if even most of them are accurate, this drone could redefine the game for creators, filmmakers, and drone pros everywhere.